Welcome. In just a few minutes, you're going to be introduced to a cutting-edge breakthrough in health and wellness, ASEA Redox. This isn't just another supplement or trend. It's a revolutionary technology that supports your body at the cellular level, helping it repair, restore, and function at its best. Whether you're looking to slow aging, enhance performance, boost longevity, or unlock your body's natural ability to heal, this video will reveal the cutting-edge science behind ASEA Redox and why it's changing the future of health. ASEA began with a groundbreaking discovery, one that unlocked the body's natural ability to heal, recover, and perform at its best. What we found was that your body already makes molecules called redox signaling molecules. These act like a bodyguard for your cells, keeping them protected and allowing them to communicate for repair and renewal. But here's the problem. As we age, or when exposed to stress, toxins, or even overtraining as an athlete, our natural redox levels decline. Think of it like cell phones losing their signal. Without proper communication, your body struggles to repair and recover. ASEA Redox supplements restore that lost signal, helping your cells do their job efficiently. Studies show that ASEA Redox products activate the NRF2 pathway, increasing glutathione production by 40 to 70% in normal conditions and up to 280% in cells under oxidative stress, enhancing the body's natural antioxidant defense and cellular recovery. It's foundational health support for everyone, from elite athletes to anyone looking to improve longevity and performance. But ASEA is more than just one product. It's a complete system designed to optimize every aspect of your health. Let's explore the full toolbox. These are your daily essentials, our Redox foundational products. ASEA Redox. Drink it daily for full-body cellular support. Renew 28. Apply ASEA Renew 28 daily to support overall skin health, combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and cellulite, and promote surface skin cell renewal. This powerful redox gel also soothes skin discomfort and eases muscle tension. Intensive Redox Serum, a concentrated formula that targets imperfections and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Redox Clay Mask. Detox, refresh, and reveal radiant skin. For targeted relief, we have Redox Gold, a powerful natural alternative for soreness and discomfort. It works fast and supports muscles and joints without the concerns of traditional pain relief options. ASEA also offers synergistic product lines, advanced wellness tools powered by Redox, expanding the power of Redox, cutting-edge solutions that optimize cellular health, performance, and longevity. Cell Performance Line, a breakthrough system designed to elevate energy, sharpen focus, enhance mood, and support natural collagen production, helping you feel and look your best from the inside out. Renew Advanced Skincare, Redox-powered skincare that activates cellular renewal, fortifies the skin barrier, and promotes a radiant, youthful complexion. ASEA Via Supplements. Scientifically formulated, Redox Enhanced Nutrition, delivering vital micronutrients to strengthen immunity, optimize gut health, and fuel whole body wellness. To see the best results, be consistent. ASEA works at the cellular level, so daily use is key. And for optimal health, consider incorporating more of our products into your routine. Love your results? You can also share with others and get rewarded. ASEA Redox is a true breakthrough in health and wellness, helping people support their body's natural ability to repair, restore, and function at its best. The best way to understand its impact is to experience it for yourself. If you're here with us today, we'd love to answer any questions you have and help you explore how ASEA Redox can benefit you. If you're watching this on your own, reach out to the person who shared it with you. They can guide you on the next steps.